Hey guys, welcome to Sma-Trendz. Today we are going to be making gulab jamun cake. Delicious, decorated with chocolate chips. I mean, who doesn't love a little chocolate? So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is add 3/4 cup of gulab jamun mix. And we're going to add it into a nice bowl. Next, we're going to add 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Isn't it cool how brown sugar is like kinetic sand? It just falls apart. Next, you're going to add 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, or just some white sugar. Now we're going to mix it all together. Now it's not going to be dough just yet, because these are all dry ingredients. We still have to add the wet ones to turn it into real dough. But first, we have to completely mix this. We have to try and get all the lumps out of the way. Just try and mash down those lumps. Now, as you can see, it's all blended in nicely. Nice. Now we're going to add 1/3 cup of oil. Next, we're going to add 1/2 cup of warm milk. And now we're going to mix it together. This is the part where it really becomes the batter for your cake. Now you have to make sure this also mixes together. You don't want any lumps in this too. Now it's ready. You can see how nice it is, and this is the consistency it should be. It should be not too stretchy, but liquidy and a little solid. Now we're gonna add some chocolate chips on top. Everybody loves chocolate chips. We have to try and spread them out. Then you should bake it at 180 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes. Now here's our finished cake. Yum! You can see that it's baked without baking soda. This is a very easy, very quick 2-minute recipe. You don't need baking soda, no need of eggs, flour, nothing. Just a little bit of sugar, milk, and oil, and done. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and enjoy this tasty treat. Bye!